So we just need to work out, see what happens. There's nothing else we can do. There's no point in us thinking negative or anything. And don't think that you let other people down. It's the fact that you got here. Imagine those people that didn't even pass the audition. And how many people there were there that audition. And you got here. You're the person who got here. People aren't gonna, when you get out of here, people aren't gonna say, oh my god, you know, blah, 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 blah. They're gonna be like, oh my god, he's the guy from blah, blah, blah. He made the top 16 of blah, 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 blah. You're the only one in Canada, am I right? That's done any of these types of things. Oh, so we've got to something like this. Exactly. I think when you get home, mate, if I was you, I'd be thinking, oh my god, when I get home, people are going to like, know me. Honestly.
Doubt it. I don't think like that.
Chris.
I don't think like that, seriously.
I know you don't think like that, but what I'm saying is, the last thing people are going to think of you is, oh my god, he got out.
No one's gonna always be assholes like that.
Yeah, but that's in everything. But what's the majority going to be? Exactly. In everything you do, no matter what it is, there's always going to be the people that try and put you down just because it's always because of jealousy and stuff like that. But you can't you can't take what they have,
don't take it to heart?
Don't take it to heart. Yeah. You can't. We have to think of all the positive things. We can't let anything stop us this time. We know that we're here for a reason, and we know that this is our time, so we need to make our time. And if us being nominated is what is the thing that has to make us realize that this is really what we want, then so it is. We have to get through it, and we can. Just text people, please text for us, please. We'll be very good to you. Honestly, we can do this. There's nothing stopping us. Don't let anything stop us. We can't let anything stop us. I know. Don't. Honestly, don't let it get to you.
I'm not.
Oh yeah, I'm not.
Naka-big connection before na nakapasok ako dito. Please, before makapasok ako dito, wala naka-big connection. So, kapag nagkaroon ng problema, doon. Alam ko, marami na siyang isip sa akin. Love you all so much. You're so nice. Hindi ko na-expect na nakakita dito. Pero madali ako tumulong sa mga tao. Talagang friends. Kaya, talagang alam mo yung feeling ko? Alam mo yung feeling ko? Libola baby! Ganyan kanina eh. Flashback? Hindi ako nakagaroon ka dito. Hindi ako nakagaroon ka dito. Bakit? Nandun ako, pero hindi ako makakita. Ay! Ikaw, Ron, ikaw naman eh. Ay, nagpa-practice ako kumanta. Ano ba kayo? Ano mo kinantan yung ano sa ninyo? Kasi may solo performance kaya next week. May solo performance kaya next week. May kontrasta ko ba yun? Matagdang umitin. Pwede ba? Sabi nito na. Nakalagay dito sa ano po. Yun na. Alam mo naman. Ipakita na sa kanila din. Sa TV. Lagi na kasing kinakanta eh. Pwede din, hindi. Pwede din naman live. I think Aladdin lang, no? Kasi parang,
Alive.
parang, it's just your voice. Parang nare-relate din sa katayuan ko.
Oo.
Diba, na sinasabi ko na, like a wish to fly, I feel that I'm alive. Though, nag-dominate ako.
Diba? Don't take positive.
Sorry. Gusto nyo?
Ano ba nakatira dito sa academy, tarantado. Sa ulo din.
Pero alam ko sa totoo talaga, kanina pa rin, naramdaman ko na, naramdaman ka na kanina.
You don't know who it's about.
Yes. Trust me. It might be a long time, but I'll find out.
You'll never find out.
Yes, I will. Once we're out of the house.
Oh.
Lahat ng bagay, may, kumbaga, lahat nagtao sa atin, isa sa atin, may kanya-kanya, you know.
Pero alam mo ate, hindi naman dahil, example, ito, yung nasasabing kung nag-enda to.
Sasukupan kita ko ito pwede. Uuwi na ako sa September, sabi niya sa akin, pero huwag kang malalaman ako ano.
Kung sino ang pinaka-high vote? Sino? Sino yung dalawang vote? Sama.
Pero alam mo, yung alam ko ito.
Alam ko bigla ko, biya talaga ko ng soda. Yun yung ano ko eh.
Ako din eh, alam ko yun eh.
Hindi
ko in-expect. Ako rin si Chris. Sabi nga niya sa akin. Kung siya ka naman hugas. Kasi kami dalawa yung taga-hugas. Sandali, bakit si Chris daw? Ano sabi na?
Hindi confident na sabi ko pa.
Mas confident sabi na. Alam mo, ako din, labo. Di ko maintindihan kasi hindi sinabi sa akin. Sinabi lang na ano, yung, ano ba daw ako sa inyo or sa judges din ba daw?
Ako is very clear.
So, hindi talaga ako
And it
kung ano
makes
talaga
really
yung kailangan na.
You know, sa akin very clear.
Dali lang nga, share mo na ako.
Yeah, I do admit that. Sinabi ko na, I had a problem with memorization and they didn't hear me. Hindi din ako nag-relate.
Sorry.
Ito magiging I love Irish sa station ni Ginger.
Yeah.
Wow. Ganda mo. Mas nakita ko si Sweetheart.
Oo, nakita ko. Kasama na kapinto.
Picture.
Oo.
At Irish. Ay, ba? Tapos, para sa baling.
Nilulugtog ko si
Meron mo lang ako. Meron na Sweetheart na.
Nakita ko kausap siya. Pag makina ko sa tulad si Michelle or si Ate S. Titignan niya kung lugin ako.
Be very far, but I know this is where I wanna be. I wanna be there, wherever it is. I wanna be there, whatever it is. There's gonna be a brighter day. I just gotta find a way to a path that will lead me to where I belong.
Pupunta lang ako sa dry. Kasi supermarket lang, grocery.
Ah.
Pero sa wet, hindi ako yung mga girls na yun.
Okay.
Ako yung pinapabili nyo.
Okay. Pingal ko na? Oh, hindi pa. Shit. Dito ba yun? Uh-oh. Where is it? Oh, here. Here, pare.
Okay.
I forgot. Buhay natin ay kagulo-gulo. Bakit ganito, Ronnie? Bakit ganito? Senti.
That's the last thing you should be thinking of. Just
Why?
remember the
Okay,
country.
why?
Because